Uh. Uh.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is just Sophie here, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here and you're gonna watch this video and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button below, because if you're not subscribed, I'm judging you. I'm judging you. Come on now, it's free 99. And let's get started with today's video. I'm going to show you how I fix my wash and goes. I have a new method that I have developed that I'm really loving and has really been working for me. I've tested and tried it 3 different times and it's really been working for me. So I want to put you on to what I've discovered and try it out and see if it works for your hair. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this and if it has stepped up and changed your wash and go game. So let's get started. My hair is in a pineapple. I always start by taking it out of the pineapple and I shake it and I start to shape it down with my fingers. Now, what I have done, and you guys are aware of this, what I have done is I do shampoo my hair. I usually will shampoo outside of the shower sometimes, and sometimes I shampoo in the shower. Then I go in with my rice water and my deep conditioner, which I have a video on that. Check my fall wash and go routine. I also, after leaving the deep conditioner in for a little while, as I shower, I will rinse out that deep conditioner and the rice water, and I will go in and add my leave-in conditioner. Now, once I added my leave-in conditioner, I was done. I got out the shower and then I added my gel outside of the shower. But what I started doing recently was adding my styling products in the shower as well. So once I do my leave-in, I go in and I add my gel in the shower as well to complete my wash and go completely in the shower. Then when I get out, I take my hair and I pineapple it. I pineapple it while it's wet. I let it air dry for about 2-3 hours. Then before I go to bed, or until I go to bed, then before I go to bed, I take my silk scarf, tie it up with it still in the pineapple, and go to sleep. And then the next day, that's when I will take it out of that pineapple and I start doing this routine. Now, the one thing that I like about doing this routine in the shower is that I get the most maximum amount of moisture because my hair is soaking wet. That's number one. Number two, I use less product because I have my hair completely drenched in the water, so I don't need as much product. And I've noticed that just my hair, my wash and goes, my products perform better on my hair, on my strands, because my hair is completely soaked and saturated in water. So that's why I do that. And I also pineapple while it's wet because I get the most maximum amount of stretch. So once I finish bringing the hair down, just sculpting it with my hands, bringing it down, then I go in with a little bit of that gel. And the gel that I used for this wash and go was the Curls gel, which I have a video on. Take a little bit in my hands like so. And I just go in and I just add basically to the ends of the hair, not to the root, just the ends, just to add a little more definition at the ends of my hair, like so. The only thing that I did differently than what you've seen in my previous video was that I added the gel in the shower, and I also added a little bit of rice water in my hair with my leave-in. And I'm trying that as a new method. I want to test that out to see if leaving the rice water in is beneficial to my hair, even more so than adding it with my deep conditioner and rinsing it out. Alright, so I just added the gel in certain areas just to give extra definition at the end. But pineappling my hair while it's wet, I get the most maximum amount of stretch. I love my shrinkage because it lets me know that my hair is healthy, but I want to also be able to showcase all of the growth that my hair has had and made since I have cut my hair back in January. Alright, and that's that. Now as far as my edges are concerned, I took a little bit of this and I just slicked my edges yesterday, and I don't really feel the need to do anything else further to my edges because I'm really working on edge growth, so I don't want to add too much gel to my edges. Plus my wash and goes will still look great, and then my edges are flaky, and then it throws off the whole wash and go style, so I don't want to add too much. So now I'm going to just finish. Just put a little bit of concealer and stuff on my face and let the curls fall naturally, and I will come back when I'm done. Alright guys, these are my final results. I love the way that my hair turned out. I love the way that it looks. It has a great amount of stretch. The hair will continue to fall just a little bit more within the next, 10-15 minutes or so. And I love the way that my hair looks and it feels. It has hold, but it's not dry feeling in any way. Now, you guys should try this method. Through trial and error, I have discovered this method, and I found that it really worked for me. I tried it a couple times before I came on here to show you guys this method because I wanted to make sure that this method really works, and it does. It gives my hair a great amount of stretch without any heat, and I get the maximum amount of moisturization for my hair doing my wash routine. In the shower, now I do my shampoo in the shower. I then go in with my deep conditioner, let that sit for about 10 minutes while I do my shower routine, and my face mask, shave, all of that stuff. And then afterwards I go in and add my leave-in, and this time I did my leave-in with rice water, and then I went in and added my styling products as well. Took the hair once I got out the shower and pineappled it, let it air dry without any scarf or bonnet or anything for a while, and then I went in and tied it up, still in the pineapple though, went to sleep, woke up, and this is what I did afterwards. So yeah, I like this method, once again I said, because it gives me the most or maximum amount of moisture. It gives me stretch without heat, and also my hair just looks really, really good. Looks really, really good. And my hair really absorbed all of the products, be that I did it in the shower when my hair was soaking wet. So let me know in the comment section below if you try this routine. Let me know how it turned out for you. And yeah, I hope you guys really like this routine and like how it came out on me. And if you're gonna try this, let me know down below. And yes, as you saw, I added my gel, a little bit of gel just at the ends, just to give some curl definition to the ends so they don't look as stringy. And yeah, that's it. So if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, MVPs.